Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to log out Insta ID from other devices. First of all, open Instagram. Click on profile icon from the bottom. Then click on menu. Tap on settings and privacy. Click on account center. From here, click on password and security. Then click on change password. Open your account from here. Enter your current and new password here. Then go back to the security check. Click to see where you're logged in. Open your account to see how many devices you're currently logged in. Scroll down to select devices to log out. From here, select all the devices. Then, press the Logout button. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.